Are you ready to elevate your crane operation skills with safety at the forefront? Interstate Heavy Equipment presents an exclusive guide, How to Operate Cranes Safely, Essential Guidelines. What you'll gain. Number 1, Safety-Centric Techniques. Dive into a comprehensive guide offering essential step-by-step instructions to ensure secure crane operations. Number 2, Load Handling Mastery. Learn efficient load handling techniques, optimizing your crane operations for maximum safety and productivity. Number 3, Emergency Protocols. Prioritize safety with expert advice on emergency procedures, ensuring quick and effective responses to unforeseen situations. Number 4, Regulatory Compliance. Stay informed about industry standards and regulations, ensuring your crane operations adhere to the highest safety guidelines. Why choose Interstate Heavy Equipment? Crafted by industry professionals with extensive experience in crane operations, our guide provides insights you can trust. From basic controls to advanced safety measures, our guide ensures a thorough understanding of crane operations. Conveniently access our guide through our user-friendly website, interstateheavyequipment.com. Ready to operate cranes safely? Contact us. Equip yourself with the skills to operate cranes securely and efficiently. Dial 469-370-7501 to connect with our experts and commence your journey to crane safety mastery. Don't miss out. Visit interstateheavyequipment.com now.